Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Wendy again from Chayatsuji Kimono. Last week I actually uploaded a Hoodie Kitsuke for women, and I'm now going to do the same but for men, as it proves to be really popular. I honestly didn't expect it to be that popular. I wanted to make this version for men as well. Now I have to say, for men it's even simpler. I've done this Kitsuke like a few times over the course of the last week, and I could do it within 5 minutes. So that's proof how easy and how casual it is. Like, I just got another hoodie on. Like, this one's actually new, and because I'm a woman, I let my hair down just because I could. But yeah, like with the previous video that I make, the thing that you only need is a kimono and an obi, and especially for men, because the hoodie will function as the juban. So you can literally go, just forgo the juban. But yeah, I really don't have anything else to say, so let's go. Okay, so I now have my kimono on already. I just got some sweatpants on there because I didn't want to bother getting out the sushi again. That's also shameless self-advertising. So I just put on the kimono as I would normally, because you have the hoodie on, it will kind of function as the juban. Just tying it off with the koshihimo. Also, hair gets in the way sometimes. That's why I tend to have it either in a braid or in a ponytail when I'm doing these videos. So that is the kimono pretty much done. And then all you have to do is tie the obi in pretty much any knot that you prefer. So whether it's just kind of koji or some other. So something that always happens with me is I have the ends too long. So what I do, I just simply fold them back. On both sides. And it will usually stay put. So there you go, that looks much better already. I'm putting it into place. And there we go. As you can see, just pull out the ties, and then you have your kitsuke done. So that's pretty much all there is to it. And with that, I'll let you guys go, and I hope we'll see you next time. Bye everyone.